And so the long winter continued. Inside, everything was warm and cozy. But outside, it was... A question?
Did you really write this story your whole self, Blueberry?
Yes, I really wrote it all by myself.
I like it.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome, Blueberry.
Where was I? Oh, yes. Inside, everything was warm and cozy. But outside, it wasn't cozy at all. All the roads around Berry Bitty City were covered in ice, and a cold wind was blowing.
Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness. This is really too much.
Oh, Postmaster Bumblebee! There you are. We thought we'd lost you.
I thought I'd lost me too. And I almost lost the mail in that wind. Oh, that's it. I'm restricting all deliveries until this windstorm dies down.
Hot honey chocolate for all our brave postal bees.
Oh!
Chocolate.
We'll just stay cozy in here. I've heard it's going to get worse.
A person would have to be really misguided to go out in weather like that.
Blueberry!
Anything in the mail for me? Has it arrived? Is it here? Where is it?
Sorry, Blueberry. All postal service is suspended due to the windstorm.
The roads are iced over due to the frost, so no mail truck deliveries either.
Oh.
Here. What were you expecting, Blueberry?
Oh, the next segment of the latest Patty Persimmon mystery.
The case of the missing mangoes?
That was last month. This one is called Tennis Caper, anyone? Someone is cutting holes in the Toadstool Tennis Club's rackets and sabotaging the tennis tournament. I simply have to find out who's doing it and why they're doing it. It's outrageous!
Well, that's an intriguing riddle, but I'm afraid you'll have to wait to find out who done it. Your package must be stuck at the branch in Berry Bitty Dale.
Oh, I can't stand it.
Refill?
No, thank you, Orange. I better get home before this wind gets worse.
Well, be careful out there.
I will.
Blueberry is usually a very patient, even-tempered person. But if there is anything she is not patient about, it's getting to the bottom of a mystery.
Bosley Bookworm, are you all right? Where are you?
Caught in some sort of net.
Net?
Blueberry?
Bosley, how'd you get in there?
The door, the wind blew, and oh, I'm sorry, Blueberry. I think I've wrecked your racket.
Oh, don't worry. This is a really old tennis racket. I was going to throw it away, but I kept thinking I might find something useful to do with it. Oh, if only it could somehow get me to Berry Bitty Dale. My Patty Persimmon is stuck there at the main post office. The butterfly bus is grounded, and...
Oh, that racket won't help you. What you need are some ice skates. I heard the roads were frozen over.
I don't have any ice skates, but maybe I could make some.
Oh, but even if those work, Berry Bitty Dale is a long way to ice skate.
What is it, Custard?
Yahoo!
That looked like... no, it couldn't have been. Could it?
Nah.
Those are amazing!
Did you get it?
I am happy to report success! A Patty Persimmon mystery. Tennis caper, anyone? Part 3. Oh, who could that be? Hi, Blueberry. Where are they? Let me see them.
Where'd you get them?
Whoa, whoa! See what? Get what?
Your flying ice boots.
Flying ice boots?
I saw you fly down the road a couple of hours ago. It was great! Where'd you get those things?
These? I made them out of an old tennis racket. I call them icy skites.
Icy skites?
Yeah, like skating on ice skates and flying a kite. Icy skites.
Oh, yeah!
I get it.
So inventive!
Can you make me a pair with a butterfly, too?
Oh, me too! I like body!
Oh, that'd be great!
Well, sure, I guess. I'll need some old tennis rackets and some butterflies and,
Oh, yeah, get that! I think we're on it!
Oh, thanks, Blueberry. This is great.
There, last pair. Don't forget your matching butterfly.
Yeah! Can't wait to get out there.
All done?
Never thought I'd be in the ice skate butterfly parasailing business.
Well, you know what they say. You never know what you might be good at until you try.
Well, now that everyone in Berry Bitty City has a set of icy skites, I can get back to my mystery novel. Now, where was I? Oh, yes, about to see who's sabotaging the tennis tournament. I wonder if it's the ball boy. Oh, I lost my place. Hello, Blueberry's Bookshop. Blueberry Muffin speaking.
Miss Muffin? This is Ladybug Lois of Berry Bitty Dale Berry Sporty Sports Store. My, has it ever been a mystery tracking you down?
At least one mystery was solved.
I finally mentioned to our postmaster that I saw you fly by on those incredibly wonderful magical skate boots of yours.
My skates? Icy skites? Well, how can I help you, Lois?
Well, I have an idea that you just might find very interesting.
I'm interested already.
Is it a book order?
An entirely different type of order altogether. The sporting goods store in Berry Bitty Dale wants to manufacture and sell my icy skites.
Well, that's wonderful. Isn't it?
But that's not all. They want me to design a matching outfit to go with the icy skites.
Well, that's wonderful too. Isn't it?
But that's not all. They want me to make a commercial for their store website with a jingle and a dance.
Is all that wonderful?
I don't know. I can write a commercial, but design clothes, make a video, write music? I don't know if I'm good at those things.
Well, you won't know if you're good at those things unless you try. And you could always ask for help.
That's true. I think it would be so much fun.
Then what's to stop you? Icy Skite on.
And so, Blueberry decided that she'd give it a try.
I want some icy skites. Can you make me some? Yeah, I want them. Blueberry, Did you make the commercial, Blueberry?
If you all please settle down, we'll find out. So, Blueberry asked her friends for help. She asked Raspberry for advice on fashion design because Raspberry was an expert. I like the colors, but I was thinking something more like this. Well, I think for your icy skite outfit, this might be better. Well, thank you, Raspberry. I'll think it over. That was a very lovely dance you made up.
So, you're all set then?
Well, I'm gonna think about it. I might want to do something a little, sportier?
Well, I think what they're probably looking for is a more classic figure skating ballet dance.
You may be right. I'll think it over. But all your tips about moving to the music and planning the moves ahead of time really helped.
What about this?
It's very glamorous, Lemon.
Or did you like my spiky design better?
I like them both.
I know. They're both my favorite, too. Oh, I forgot about Plum's choreography. She said you're going with the classic ballet theme?
I am?
So maybe we should do a ballet bun.
Do you mind if I think this all over? I love all your ideas, but I may want to go in a different direction.
I bet you'll go with the ballet bun. Or maybe the spikes.
I'll let you know. But thank you so much for all your help, Lemon. I never would have known how to get my hair into any style without your guidance.
Anything there you like?
Oh, girls, that was a beautiful melody.
Raspberry told us you're going with the classic ballet theme.
Well, no. I actually hadn't decided yet what I'm going with for my commercial.
Oh, so are you still working it out?
Well...
Oh, I forgot my lyric pages. Be right back.
Are you worried about something, Blueberry?
Oh, Strawberry. Everyone helped show me how to do some of the things they're really good at, and they all have lots of ideas for me. But I'm kind of having fun thinking up some ideas on my own.
Then you should. Everyone will understand.
Are you sure? You don't think they'll mind if I go my own direction?
Of course they won't mind.
So I designed this very big, fabulously flowing gown for her commercial, and she isn't going to use it. Well, I choreographed a very graceful ice and butterfly dance that she isn't using either. But you are the dance expert, Plum, and you, Raspberry, are the fashion expert. It just doesn't make sense that she wouldn't be using your ideas. She should stick to what she does best, writing. What if her commercial is an embarrassment? We wouldn't want that to happen to her. What if Berry Bitty Dale Sporty Sports Store doesn't like the commercial, and then they wouldn't want her icy skites, and then... hi, Strawberry. Hi, Strawberry.
Hello. Have you been helping Blueberry with her commercial?
Well, she did ask for help, or advice, or, but it doesn't seem like she needs our help after all. It seems like she's gonna do the whole thing by herself, with her own ideas.
But that's okay, right? I mean, just because you're all good at something doesn't mean Blueberry can't be good at it too.
Well, it is her commercial.
It's nice that she asked for help, and nice that we helped her. But that doesn't mean she has to do what we all think.
No, that's true. Well, I hope it turns out okay.
However it turns out, I think we should give her our support.
Okay, and action. Woo! Wait, this is some great action footage. This is good. Keep going.
Here's my jingle. I know it's not exactly what you girls had in mind, but I think it goes better with the action sports feel of the commercial.
What tune do we play this to?
Well, I don't know how to write notes like Cherry. I can only hum what I had in mind.
That's okay. Why don't you hum the melody and I'll write down the notes? That'll work. Good idea, Cherry. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's it. That's great. Just do your thing and smile. Big smiles, please, everyone. This is great. Perfect. Oh, I'm just so worried for her. Huh? I said I'm worried for her. Oh, I know. She's never done fashions and all the rest. I heard she didn't even use Cherry's lyrics for the jingle. And Cherry's a super pop star. Can you believe it? What do we say when we've seen it? What if I can't fake a smile? What if I hurt her feelings?
Oh, poor Blueberry. Hopefully there'll be enough time to redo the commercial before, it gets out there.
We'll help her redo it.
Evening, girls.
Oh, I can't wait to see the commercial.
I'm in it. Can you believe it, girls? JD Bug from the post office is gonna be a star.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you for coming to see a pre-screening of my Icy Skites commercial. I hope you like it. I got a lot of help from my friends on this, so I wanted to tell you all how grateful I am. My commercial wouldn't have been possible without my friends' expert know-how.
But she didn't use her ideas.
Shh. Okay, well, here goes. Berk and Bruce, could you please start the film?
Wanna get from here to there. The road is icy, but we don't care, 'cause we've got a real awesome icy skites to wear. Icy skites give us speed and all the things we need. Before you know it, you'll be icy skiting with me. Icy skites are so much fun. Grab a pair, it's time to run. Icy skites have fashion flair and butterfly boost to capture the air. Icy skites are so much fun. Grab a pair, it's time to run. Icy skites have fashion flair and butterfly boost to capture the air. Icy skites are so much fun. Icy skites for everyone.
Berry Bitty Dale Berry Sporty Sports has Icy Skites now!
Oh, it's me. Did you see me?
Did you see that great hairstyle? She did it! She really pulled it off! Did you see that?
Her dance was great. It went much better with the overall commercial than a ballet would have.
She's really multi-talented. I knew it would be great.
So did I.
So, do you think you might design more fabulous fashions, Blueberry?
And you are really good at choreography.
And the jingle was great. Think you'll do some more songwriting next?
You know what I'm gonna do next? I'm going to go home and find out who is trying to sabotage the tennis tournament in my Patty Persimmon mystery once and for all.
There's yours. Now, don't crowd. There's plenty for everyone. Blueberry, they're selling like hotcakes. The hottest item I've had since glow-in-the-dark croquet balls.
That's fantastic. I'm so glad the commercial worked out.
Is this the book we're reading for the next book club?
Mm-hmm.
How come it doesn't have a cover? Gallopin' Gooseberries! The Long Winter Mystery by Blueberry Muffin?
Really? You wrote a whole mystery book? It's a work in progress. I was so disappointed that I guessed the culprit so early on in my Patty Persimmon mystery. It was the ball boy all along. That I thought I could write a better mystery than this. So, I was wondering if you could do me a favor and read it and help me make improvements? You want us to help you with writing?
But you're the best, Blueberry. I mean, you're the expert.
But you're all good writers, too. And readers. So your opinions would be very valuable to me.
Oh, of course we'll tell you what we think.
Oh, look! You dedicated your book to us, Blueberry.
Thank you, Blueberry!
Did you really write a mystery, Blueberry?
I did. But it's a little scary, so you'll have to read it when you're older.
Do you think I could write a mystery, Blueberry?
The only way to find out is to try.